front end come down like so, and then you look like some bizarre Bavarian leaf burner.
Are you doing?
Yes, the ancient Bavarian leaf burners of Bavaria land, who would walk through the Alps burning leaves. And then the police would come and go, oh, who burned the leaves? And they'd spray the water on the leaves and it would go out. And then the Bavarian leaf burners would run away and go, oh. Yeah, they were the original terrorists.
Are you doing chapeau again?
Yes, I am. Just chapeau sphere.
Yes, chapeau sphere. That's funny.
I would like to sing a song right now, though, about my personal pain that I'm feeling right now.
Me too.
And it's not the pain that penicillin will get rid of. No, this is the pain. This is an emotional pain. This is the pain because I know I don't need your pity, freaks. I'm telling you right now.
Will you take my pity?
I'll take your pity.
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe a less clothed pity, but I, Fletcher Hodges, am not an actual member of the club.
No,
okay,
you're not.
there it is. There it is, out in the open. I'm a curator, not an actual member. Employee, member de nada. Employee. De nada.
You're welcome.
So that means I'm not the employee of the day. De nada. So I would like to sing a song about why I'm upset about this thing.
I need more of those hats. That part already. You can put it on
Wow.
This sounds like I'm in a toilet. In this day and age, in this big old troubled world,
Wow.
where the little guy ain't got a chance.
Sing it, Fletcher.
I'm doing it. There's only one thing I can think of that could make a difference. If I had a bulldozer,
Dear God, dear God.
everything would be so fine. I would never have to move it over. Never have to stand in line.
I'll say.
If I had a bulldozer, there'd be a lot more parking places. I just look for that brand new sports car that's been taking up 2 spaces. If I had a diesel rig, if I had a bulldozer, my application would go through. You know, my boss would run to get my coat
Now I
if I decided to leave by 2.
They give the hat.
If I had a bulldozer, the IRS would never charge me. An audit would really go quickly. With a big honking dozer rattling outside. If I had a diesel rig with a diesel tank, transistor tank, I would have it made courtesy for green and arguments with cheese, 'cause everyone would know I'd squash them like a cheese.
What?
Squash them like a cheese.
Like a what?
Like a cheese. Like between 2, like sandwich gasket. Cheese, right. You know, don't underestimate the power of.
But is it powerful?
Would you have tomato and maybe a little lettuce on that?
Bacon.
No, I have clamato with it.
Oh.
Which is clam juice and tomato juice. I love that.
Ah, cheese.
You know, I'll tell you what kind of cheese is. It's a new brand of cheese. It's called Shut the Hell Up cheese, okay? Yeah, you cut it. If I had a bulldozer, all the doors would open up. People would treat me with a lot more respect. Or I'll spit on, or I'll knock them down and squash them up.
Like cheese. Like cheese.
If I had a diesel Rick, you're screwing us up. If I smile, the whole song's ruined. If I had